everyone. Hope you all are doing well. This video is for class 3 children. Here we are going to discuss chapter number 6 and this is part 3rd of the video. So let's begin. Find the missing numbers. Look at the number patterns. Write the missing numbers. So here we have been given some of the questions. So here we have to find the missing numbers. We have to look at the pattern, we have to understand the pattern, and in the similar pattern we have to find the missing numbers. So question number A, C and F we will do, and rest of the questions you will do yourself in your book only. So now let's see question A, C and F. Okay, so the question is find the missing number. So here 3 questions have been given to us and we have to find missing numbers in these questions. Okay, so let's see the first one: 100, 200, 300, then this is blank, blank, 600 and this is blank. See, what we have to do here is, if you will see, there is a gap of 100 number between each 2 numbers. Okay, there is a gap of 100 numbers. It's a gap of 100. See, 100, then 200, then 300. So we will make a gap of 100 numbers and we will fill the blank. So this is 100, this is 200, this is 300. Then we will write 300. After 300, it will come 400. Then again we will do 100 number, 100 blank of 100 number. Gap of 100 number. So this will become 500. Okay, then there is a gap of 100 number again, 600. Then again we will do a gap of 100 number, so this will become 700. Correct? Once again, let's see. 100, then there is a gap of 100 number, 200. Then again there is a gap of 100, then 300. Then again there is a gap of 100, then it becomes 400. Then again there is a gap of 100, then it is 500. Then again 600, then again 700. Okay, so we will do it like this. Next is 50, 100, 150, 200. Okay, so here let's see, there is a gap of 50 numbers. Okay, see 50, then after 50 number 100, then after a gap of 50, 150, then after gap of 50, 200, or you can say you are adding 100 here and you are adding 50 here. Okay, yes, you are adding 100 here, 100, then plus 100, 200, then plus 100, 300, plus 100, 400, plus 100, 500, plus 100, 600, and plus 100, 700. Okay, so we will add. So here also we will add 50, but here we will add 50 numbers. 50, then we will add 50, it became 100. Then we have added 50, 150. Then again 50 is added, 200. Then again we will add 50, it will become 250. Then again here we will add 50. In this number, this will become 300. Again we will add 50, this will become 350. Again we will add 50 more, this will become 400. Okay, so this is, you have to add. This is how you have to add. Okay, 50, then 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350 and 400. Now next question is 280, 216, 240. So here if you will see, here we are minusing. Okay, here we are doing subtraction. Here we are doing subtraction. 280, then we have subtract 20 from 280. And we have subtract 20 from 280, it has become 260. Okay, it has become 260. Then again we have to subtract 20 from 260, it became 240. Then again we will subtract 20 from 240, it will become 220. Correct? Then again we will subtract 20 from this number, it will become 200. Again we will subtract 20 from 200, this will become 180. Okay? Then again we will subtract 20 from 180, this will become 160. So this is how we will do it. There is a gap of 20 number. Here we have added 100 numbers. Then here we have added 50 numbers. And here we have subtracted 20 number. Okay. So either we have to subtract, either we have to add. Okay. And we have to follow the pattern. Okay. So this is how we do these questions. Next is mental maths. So these are the questions that we have already done
These are simply addition and subtraction question. Okay, so these are homework for you. You will do these 4 questions in your book only. And how you will do this? See, 80 minus 35. Okay, you have to do it in a cross way. Okay, आपको क्रॉस में करना है इसको. जैसे 80 minus 35 is your 45. Similarly, you have to add 45 plus 35. Okay, and then equals to, you will write the answer. Correct? Similarly, you will do next question also, 50 plus blank and blank. Okay, and 75 minus blank is equals to 50. So you will use your brain and you will do these questions by yourself only in this book. Okay, you will do it yourself. This is your homework. You try it yourself. Okay, first you try this question yourself, then we will discuss this in class. Okay, I will tell you the answers in class. You try. Okay, practice time. Question number 1. Indu's pencil is 15 centimeter long. Jyoti's pencil is 8 centimeter long. Whose pencil is longer and how much longer? So we have been given questions here. We will do this question. Okay, we will see this. Let's first see the question second. Ask your papa or mummy price of 1 kg salt. Okay, 1 kg means 1 kilogram salt. Next is price of 1 kilogram sugar. Which one is more costly? How much more does it cost? So second question is your homework. We will do question number 1 and 3 here. You first watch question number 1 and 2, how we are doing that. Then you have to do question number 2 yourself, or you can take help of your parents also, but first at least try to do it yourself. Okay, what you have to do here is you have to ask your parents the price of 1 kg of salt and 1 kg of sugar. Okay, and then you have to tell which out of both is more costly. Okay, and how much more does it cost? Okay, so you have to find out the difference between the two. First you will tell which is more costly, and in second one, how much more does it cost. Here you have to find out the difference between the cost of 1 kg salt and 1 kg sugar, and the difference, that subtraction you will do, and that difference will be your answer. Okay, so you will do question number 2 yourself. So let's see question number 3. Ajay cooked chapatis in 25 minutes. Then he made dal in 15 minutes. How much time did it take to cook both things? So Ajay has made chapatis and dal and in a particular time. Okay, now we have to tell how much time did it take cooking both the things. So first you see question number 1 and 3 we are doing. You see how we are doing that, then you will do question 2 yourself.
Question is, Indu's pencil is 15 centimeter long. So there is a girl Indu whose pencil is 15 centimeter long. Okay. Now Jyoti's pencil is 8 centimeter long. So there is another girl named Jyoti whose pencil is 8 centimeter long. So we have to tell whose pencil is longer and how much longer. So there are 2 questions in this question. Okay. First is whose pencil is longer. So as we can see, Indu's pencil is 15 centimeter long and Jyoti's pencil is 8 centimeter long. So 15 is more than 8. So it means Indu's pencil is longer than Jyoti. So we will write here Indu's pencil is longer than Jyoti's pencil. Okay. Or you can write Jyoti's only. Jyoti's pencil. Okay. Indu's pencil is longer than Jyoti's pencil because Indu's pencil is 15 centimeter long and Jyoti's pencil is 8 centimeter long. Okay. So next part is how much longer. So we have to tell now how much longer it is. So to find out how much longer, we have to find the difference between these two, okay, length. These two lengths. We have to find the difference between these two lengths. Okay. So how we will find the difference? To find out the difference, we do subtraction. So I will minus Indu's pencil length. I will minus Jyoti's pencil length from Indu's pencil length. Okay. I will minus Jyoti's pencil length from Indu's pencil length. So Indu's pencil length is 15 centimeter minus Jyoti's pencil length. It will be 8 centimeters. 8 centimeter. Okay. So now the difference is 15 minus 8. We have to do 15 minus 8. So let's see how we will do 15 minus 8. Okay. So see, we cannot subtract 8 from 5. We cannot subtract 8 from 5. 8 is greater and 5 is smaller. So what we will do? We will borrow 1 from here. Okay. We will borrow 1 from here. This will be 0 and this will become 15. Right? This will become 15. Now 8 minus 15. Okay. 8 minus 15 is here. 8 is here. We have to minus 15. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So this is 7. Okay. 15 minus 8 is your 7 and this is 0. So answer is 7. 15 minus 8 is your 7 centimeter. Okay. So the difference between both two pencils is 7 centimeter. So therefore Indu's pencil is 7 centimeter longer than Jyoti's pencil. Because we have to tell how much longer. So we will say it is 7 centimeter long. Okay. It is 7 centimeter long. So this is how you do the subtraction. Now the question is, Ajay cooked chapatis in 25 minutes. So Ajay has cooked chapatis in 25 minutes. Okay, he took 25 minutes to cook the chapatis. Now then he made dal in 15 minutes. Okay, then he made dal in 15 minutes. It means it took 15 minutes to make dal. Right? Then how much time did he take to cook both the things? Now we have to tell that how much time did it take to cook both of the things. Okay. So we have to tell the timing of his cooking. Okay. Cooking both of the things. So chapati is cooked in 25 minutes and dal in 15 minutes. So we have to tell the overall time that he took in cooking both of them. So we will write here total time taken by Ajay to cook both the things. Okay, total time taken by Ajay to cook both of the things. So we have to now tell that how much time did he take in cooking both of the things. So we have to tell the total timing. So what we will do? We will add. Okay, we have to tell the total timing. We will add. Okay. So to find the total timing, we do addition. So we will do 25 plus 15. Okay. So देखो, total timing taken by Ajay to cook both the things 25 plus 15. So we will do 25 plus 15. Let's do 25 plus 15. 5 plus 5 is your 10. Okay. 5 and 5 more. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this will be 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. 0 and 1 will go in carry. Okay. So now 2 plus 1. 1 is already here. Okay. 2 plus 1 is your 3. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1 is in carry. So 3 plus 1, 4. So this is 40. So 25 plus 15 is your 40. It means it took total 40 minutes. 25 plus 15, 40. That means it took total 40 minutes to cook both of the things. Okay. So total time taken by Ajay to cook both the things is 40 minutes. Okay. So that's all for today. Keep practicing these questions at your home. We will soon meet with the next video. Till then, stay at home, stay safe. Bye bye.